The first thing you want to do is pass your crochet needle through your hair and then add the braiding hair to it. The reason I'm adding braiding hair is because I thought I wouldn't have enough hair to do my whole head. So I just improvised and made my twist chunkier because I wanted my butterfly locks on the thicker side and thinner side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just twisting it down instead of wrapping it around my hair. So yeah. So now you want to separate the curly hair and make it really fluffy, because the fluffier the hair is, the better butterfly look you will get. So now that you're done fluffing out the curly hair, you want to put the crochet needle in your hair again and then apply the curly hair and pass it through it. After you get it through, you want to make sure that the two curly pieces are the same length, and then pass the curly pieces and put them on the same side like I'm doing right here. So now you want to hold the twist in your left hand and the curly hair in your right hand and use your pointer finger to maneuver the hair to the other side so it can wrap over nicely. You want to wrap it at the base tightly at least 3 or 4 times so that the hair will not unravel and stay in place. So there is 2 different methods in doing the butterfly locks, and the first method I'll be showing is the thumb method, and then later on in the video I'll show the method where you just pass it over your hair lightly and you get the same effect. So you just put your thumb in like so, and then you just continue wrapping and you get that nice little loopy looking effect thingamajiggy. So when you reach your desired length, you take the curly piece of hair and you wrap it back up the other way. If you're using only curly hair, you do not have to cut it off like I'm gonna do in a couple seconds. I cut the end of the braiding hair off because it sticks out. If you're not using braiding hair, you do not have to do that. So now you just redo the same process for the rest of your head like I did for the first one. So since the curly hair wasn't long enough to wrap around the braiding hair, I took another strand of hair, cut it in half, and then I attached it to the braiding hair like you'll see in the next clip.
be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I want it with you.
Okay, so this is the second method I was talking about, where you wrap loosely and still get the butterfly effect. If you wrap any tighter, you will not get the butterfly effect and you will get a fox lock instead of butterfly locks. So just wrap loosely and be gentle with it. So now I'll just be doing my edges. That is gel in that little ghetto container. My big gel is done. So yeah, enjoy me just doing my edges.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal, I'm talking about me too. What else should we?
Okay, so y'all, I'm finally done with these locks. Took me about a day and a half. Yeah, a day and a half to do these because it was my first time and it's a very tedious process. It's a lot. I had to put the braiding hair in first as a base since the hair I got from Amazon wasn't thick enough, and then I had to wrap the hair in, crochet all that stuff in. Yeah, it's a lot, but they are really cute. So the hair I do recommend is the hair by FREETRESS. That's the best hair to use because it's thicker and you don't have to do all that process I did, putting braiding hair in and all of that. But the one I got from Amazon, it was really thin because my beauty supply store do not sell FREETRESS, so I had to buy from Amazon. Like, which beauty supply don't sell FREETRESS? But anyways, that's not the point. The best hair to use is FREETRESS. I would buy it from Amazon if your store don't have got FREETRESS, so I'll link it down below. And also, I don't know how many locks I have in, so I'll count it and it will also be like on the screen. Yeah, it took me about a day and a half to do these, but it looks like it's worth it because it's hella cute. So this is what it looks like on the other side. This is what it looks like up close. Cute. But anyways, I like this side. I do not like middle parts because I look like Whoopi Goldberg. Anyways, child, so I'm gonna keep it on this side. So that's it for today's video. If you guys did like it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell for more notifications from me. And also comment down below other videos you guys would love to see from me. Bye, love you guys.